Yo, back out here again.
Truth right there. Got him on the boat. Bringing in the motherfucking porgies. How you feel today?
Relax, you know, I'm just getting a tan. I look a little darker.
No, it is.
He traded his guns for love, but he's caught in the crossfire. And he keeps waking up, but it's not to the sound of birds. The tyranny, the violent streets, the pride of all that we're blessed with, and we can't get enough. No, heaven if you send us down, so we could build a playground for the sinners to play a saint. We'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, 'cause you're the only refuge now. For every mother, every child, every brother is caught in the crossfire.
What up, Israel? Morning. Back out here on the beach again. Early morning. I'm using shrimp for bait today. I got 2 hooks on this. Oh damn, I think I threw off most of the shrimp. The shrimp did not make it. Let's see what happens still. I put a whole shrimp, the head and everything, but I have 2 hooks in it. I have 1 hook right here and 1 hook right here. See, the head is coming off already. I'm gonna try to wrap it up a little bit more. Wrap it up! Talking to bait, the bait. Wrap up, out. Wrap up the bait. Wrap up the bait with the bait thread. Right. There's no sardines around lately, so I have to resort to the best alternative, which is shrimp.
So heaven if you sent us down, so we can build a playground.
The head came off.
You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, 'cause you're the only refuge now. For every mother, every child, every brother caught in the crossfire.
I think I'm gonna check this one, see if it still has bait. Put another piece of shrimp on it. Still got a lot of shrimp on it. It's just the head that came off. I need a better, I need to disguise this a bit better. Morning. So now we wait. Got boat lines in the water. Over here looks messed up. The water, well, to be honest with you, this is how this side normally looks. But the other areas that sand is normally at, the water washed away the sand out into the water. So, Puerto Rican phenomenon. I think something is messing with the pole, the furthest one. Guess not. Actually, I guess so. May have fish on. Feels like I got a fish on. I feel something resisting, but it feels very small. Let me check. Nope. Still got bait, which I think is very good news. But at least I'm getting a little action. Now I'm gonna just let it stay. Loosen the drag a bit. And if anything is messing with it, I'm just gonna let it stay. Let them bite for real. This one I'm not getting no action. messing with this one again. Water looks a little bit clearer on this side. I see somebody caught a big fish too recently, or more than one. There's scales here. Nope. These fish are whooping my butt today. I think I'm gonna tie up a new rig. Put this bad boy back out there as far as I can. That wasn't all that, to be honest. I'm not sure if there's a fish on this, but I think there should be one. It don't feel like there's any on right now. It's coming in too easy. Yeah, they stole my bait. No, I gotta be faster.